Hello everyone. Today we are going to set up Google Cloud's TPUs for using them for our AI ML workload. So first what we are going to do is we'll be creating the TPU nodes, and then we'll be using SSH to connect it through Jupyter Labs and have a graphical user interface so we can code over there, and then also we'll be attaching it to the tmux session so we can run our jobs after, even after we close our laptops and all. So let's get started. First, just go into your browser, search Google Cloud, and then open the very first link you'll get. There, just go and select your Google Cloud console, and in the console, ensure that you are in the project that you want to be in, where you want to create your cloud TPUs. Go there, search for the compute engine, and inside there, click on TPUs. As you can see here, I already have a few nodes created, and these are generally the standard nodes. For now, what we are going to create is a spot TPU VM, which is a preemptible one. It can be preempted anytime. That's what it actually means. And as you can see that these are my standard TPUs that I have made, and I have got the TRC grant which gave us the queued resources. So ensure, if you are also from the TPU Research Cloud, if you got that grant, then ensure that you enable the queuing feature over here, like I'll show you here. First, just select the region, name your node, and then select the TPU you want and the software you want to use. I'll be using the Ubuntu version of the TPU software. After that, click on enable queuing. Like as I said, the queued resource it is. And then in the management, go and ensure that this is a TPU spot view. If you want to create a non-preemptible one that will be running for days and weeks as long as you want, create a non-spot version. Don't check mark on that. Now we'll be creating a node. There's a name issue. Yes, now let's name it as node 6. And here we go. Creating node successfully created. Wait for some time. For now you'll be waiting for some time till they provide you resources. As you can see, waiting for resources. After some time you will see the message of provisioning, and after provisioning resources you will get an active sign over here. Let's wait for some time, and it's provisioning now. Yeah, now it's active. Now go into the TPU section and you can click control and then click over here. You will get the window in the next tab. There you can SSH into from your browser. Just click on the authorize button over here. Give it 2-3 seconds. Yeah. Now the very first thing that we'll be doing after we get connected is we'll be creating a virtual environment for our TPUs to use them. We'll be creating a Python virtual environment. I'll be sharing these commands in the description. So first let's create a virtual environment. I'm naming it as MLENV, as machine learning environment, just that sort of naming. Yes, we're done. We have our virtual environment ready. Now let's activate it. And after activating it, we'll be downloading some pretty useful commands from pip. Those are flags, optex, and JAX commands. Like I use JAX. You can also use PyTorch XLA if you want, but to me it was a hell for dependencies issue. So I prefer JAX, and also JAX is much more stable and efficient for machine learning tasks. Now in the meantime, let's wait for it to get installed. Ensure if you are installing JAX, you are installing TPU version, not the CPU one, until and unless you want to use CPUs. Now let's install the Jupyter Lab. Now you can connect it to whatever port you want. I'm connecting it to 8888, which is generally the standard, but like when you use multiple TPU VMs, you want multiple local hosts where you need to change for each, like 8889, then 8890, like this. So now we are there, we have installed the Jupyter Lab, now we are connecting it with a port number. Here you can see there's a token which we'll be needing, but first we need to download the SDK. Let's go and download Google Cloud SDK. Here just click on the first link, scroll down and you'll see, yeah, this download button. Just download it. It's pretty simple to install. Right now I won't be installing it because I already have it installed. As you can see here, I'll just open it. Oh shit, not Chrome. I want this, yeah. I'll be using the git bash version. You can use whatever you want as your terminal, but I like this one, so that's what my default is. Here we'll paste this command. Ensure that you keep the name of the node as what you have chosen over there for your TPUs. Like here it is node 6 in zone US Central to V. For your, you just need to change these values, that whatever values you have chosen. Now let it get connected. If you are only using it once, you can choose that connect once, but I am choosing accept because I'll be using it multiple times, so I'm choosing accept. We're pretty much done now. Just go into your browser, connect to any local host. First copy the token ID. Here is the token. Let's copy it and then go into the localhost 80A. Paste it over here. Yeah, now we are done. Let's test something. Let's print hello in a notebook. Print hello. Yeah, now it's working and we are active on our local host, but sometimes like there are some issues, such as you can if you are running a compute machine learning job and you want to run for several hours, like sometimes it is 300 hours, 400 hours, you can't keep your laptop on, so we'll be installing tmux also, which helps you to keep your terminal active even after you close your laptop and disconnect from the local host and all from internet. You can close your laptop completely, and to disconnect use control B plus D. Like now we are inside the tmux session. You can use tmux new strain as like to make a new tmux session named as train, and then use control B and then D to detach from it. And if you are not, thinking like now you come after some time you want to reattach, you can reattach with tmux attach dash D train. Let's test. See, as you can see, I have wrote something here. Now I'll detach from it, and as you can see that I have detached from that session and now I have reattached. It is still over there, so like you can close your laptop and run whatever you want. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you.